Welcome to another tutorial. In this we will show you how to upload sale deed, enter witness details, identifier details and lastly with the affidavit fee payment process. After logging in with your user credentials, you can check the status of your application. After RC verify details and move forward with the application, it comes to the applicant for the next process. The applicant has to upload sale deed and witness details. To do that, click the button on the right end. In here fill in all the details like name of the identifier, gender, name of the witness, etc. Last, upload necessary documents, like identifier ID and witness ID. After clicking save and continue, it's time to upload sale deed. Download the form by clicking download sale deed. Fill this form with the required information and signature at the end. And upload the form after filling it. After clicking save, you will be directed to confirm affidavit witness details page, wherein you would have to pay affidavit fee. Click the submit button and you will be directed to a payment gateway. After payment is done, you will get an acknowledgement slip and the process is done.